Okay.
I'm the girl.
When she kicks and punches you, hold her tight. Okay. When you see her walking, sneak up behind her and grab her by the waist. When she holds your hand, play with her fingers. When she's cold, move closer. When she flirts with you, never turn her down or ignore her.
That's so hot. Wait, what do I do? Don't turn me down! Hey, come on.
Okay. When she runs from you, chase her. When she is silent, she's thinking of how to say I love you.
What are you thinking about? What? Hey.
When she holds your... Oh, never mind, I did that. When she's scared, hold her and tell her everything will be okay because she's with you.
It's okay!
When she puts her face near yours, kiss her. Okay. When she acts shy. I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Oh, jeez.
Is that it?
When she looks like something is the matter, kiss her and tell her not to worry.
Don't worry.